Alright, we're going to clean the kettle. This is the stirring mechanism. So it's got a spring on it and this thing flops around. So it gets a little bit gunked up. We can warm it up just slightly with some hot water to start cutting the grease. Pull that back. And then I'll shoot a little bit of soap on it. Good thing about using obviously the hot water is it will help the units dry themselves. Now as far as the kettle goes, you can see the kettle doesn't really get any kind of burnt or anything, but there is quite a bit of residue on it. So first thing we'll do is wipe it out quite well with paper towel. So I'm going to do that, and I will be right back. Had to go find me some paper towel. So basically, we're going to get the paper towel, wipe inside here, get all the little pieces of popcorn out. Basically, we're going to wipe around the rim, and then wipe inside the unit. And the majority of the stuff will come out. If there's any kind of buildup of stuff that's cooked on, I generally will get in there with a SOS pad or a scouring pad and do that. You can get water inside this, but you don't want to have water going over the edges and getting all the electrical components wet. So you do not ever submerge this in water. Make sure these nuts on the bottom remain tight. They come a little bit loose with all the vibration and everything inside. And be awful careful because this edge is quite sharp on the bottom. Don't want to end up getting any cut fingers. So I'm just going to simply wipe this down, then I will actually go over it with the soapy washcloth to get all the final little bit of oil and residues out. We're just getting the overall amounts off that are easy to remove before we clean it. And I just give the cord here a quick wipe as well. Alright, so I am going to go and find myself some more paper towels, and I will be right back with the washing procedures for this. Okay, hang on, we'll be back. Here we go, I went and grabbed a new roll of paper towels so I can give this one more wipe. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the water running nice and hot, put a little bit of soap inside the unit, grab my Scotch-Brite pad, and just give that a quick little rub. And right away, any kind of the brownish color from the oil getting pretty hot just comes right off. Again, like I said, if you keep this fairly clean, it will always be very easy to clean. It's when you let it get away on you that it's going to get kind of disgusting and not something that you'd want to eat popcorn out of. Alright, we got that all done. I'm just going to dump that. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. Keep dumping. Again, do not submerge this unit under the water. Just get my washcloth full of warm water. Bring that out. And I'm just going to go around the outside of the unit here. Give it a little rub down, and then after that we will go ahead and just dry it with the towel. Alright, so you can see how nice and clean that kettle is. So I'll finish doing this, and then next we will go over to the unit and wipe the entire popcorn machine down with a warm rag, just to show how quick that can be. And we will get back to assembly here in a few minutes.